So here we are, Gracie and Bentley puppies. They'll be 7 weeks old tomorrow. Green collar is number 2. Get you the girl. These guys are so cute. Hey you. Adorable puppies. Hi you. They are thick. When you feel them, they're just solid. Oh, you're so adorable. These guys are just sweet. Huh. Beautiful red fawn here. 3 beautiful brindles. And the cutest little cream girl. Hey you! Where you at? Hi. Come here. Kitty. Hey Kitty. They're still innocent for a few more days. Never get tired of the puppy breath. And they're just full of love. We have so much love. Folks, you got 3 weeks to get ready. Do your reading again, especially on immune systems. And setting up your house for success. If you're not getting the X-Pen, litter and litter box, then you're making a huge mistake. Trust me. You can get the X-Pen on Amazon, or I sell them here. We sell the litter boxes and the wood pellet bedding. And a snuggle puppy. Snuggle puppies are a big hit. What? Make sure you got a vet that's well versed in Frenchies. We have some recommendations on our website, but you can also join a Frenchie meetup group in your area. Maybe the scraper too. Get their attention.
Come on.
Oh, don't need your help. That was a good one. If there is such a thing. At least you pooped off camera. You. Thank you. You're gonna be shy. As I was saying, you can join a Frenchie meetup group and put out the word. Who should you use? Who shouldn't you use? Every one of them just has the most perfect personalities. This is Chubbo. He's the monster of the pack. Hey, something fun to play with right here. He's in his own world. Hey, sissy, can't see you back there. Come over here. Do I have to move every toy? Hey, come over here. He's so stinking cute. All these toys, you gotta play them with shoe. Puppies will go in for their vet check before they leave us. You don't need to take them into your vet until they're 13 weeks shot. You'll get a complete health record with them and a copy of the vet report. You look like you're trying to get away with something. I know. This guy cracks me up. No! About the first time ever they've gone outside. It's winter time. They don't hit the doggy door much until we got them on camera. Come here. Hey. Come on in. Come on. You need to teach your brothers and sisters about that. I think we'd be happy if they just hit the litter boxes. You got a cute butt. And French fry thighs. Oh my goodness. And just cuteness overload. How come you always look guilty? He just runs around acting like you got away with something. Uh-oh. Okay, that about wraps it up. Get ready for a whole ton of love here in 3 weeks. Say goodbye, kids.